In the country, there are 1,60,000 schools in the country, 40,000 plus colleges and institutions, and 500 universities. And possibly, even after doing MBA and CA, we do not know as to how to make our money work hard for us. The National Stock Exchange mission is to educate the masses as a corporate social responsibility to make sure that in the schools, colleges, and university system, our children, our students learn the trick of financial education and make India third largest economy by 2025 or 2030, as the projections are. The mission is provide financial literacy with a flavor of employable skills. Unless until we are able to provide employable skills, it won't work. Kapil Sibal ji, our Honorable Minister, had immediately after taking charge, specifically said, our youth do not get jobs because the curriculum had not been changed. The curriculum of the schools and universities should be upgraded.
Literacy at the higher secondary school level. Financial literacy could be made a compulsory subject for students of all streams in the 11th and 12th standards.
Yep.
Western Railway has advertised for 100 posts of coolies. More than 10,000 graduates applied for it. State Bank of India advertised 12,000 posts of clerks. More than 32 lakh persons applied for it. The cost of processing those applications was equivalent of 1 year plus salary on the part of the State Bank of India. Do we want our children or students to be part of this crowd? Certainly not. Imagine 18.8 crore investors who put their money into bank deposits, etc., of which only 1.5 crore invest in the stock market. Barely 1.2% of the India's population. There's so much gap, We hardly earn 5% on a return if I take the income tax into account. I have not taken into account the inflation at all, which could be ranging from 10 to 17% or 20%. Why people don't invest in the stock market? Research has been conducted, a lot of research has been conducted. The three major reasons. Number one is the mental perception. We think, oh, stock market means scam. No. This is the mental perception. Second, they do not know how to manage their risk. Say, for example, a house lady knows how to manage the risk using the gas chula. Gas chula is as risky. We all travel on the road. We all go by car and by air. But you know how to manage the risk. So we need to learn how to manage the risk. And of course, lack of knowledge. And there's so much shortage of skilled manpower into this industry that anyone who gets into it is immediately hired without any reasons. You see, we all work hard to earn money. Do we make our money work hard for us? Can you make 100 rupees bundles grow into 1,000 rupees? This is the whole purpose of financial literacy in the country. If you had invested 5,000 rupees per month 20 years back, had you invested in gold, it would have given you 8.10%. Had you invested in bank deposits, it would have given you 41 lakh. And had you invested in stock market, you would have been crorepati already by 1.13 crores. Why one should invest? On higher return, definitely. If your aim is minimum 5 years, you can easily have decent return, somewhere from 15 to 30%. You can be your own boss. And of course, now the whole government of India is investor friendly. They've got a very strong Security Exchange Board of India and very transparent National Stock Exchange with 230,000 terminals across in 1,500 cities. And we, as a corporate social responsibility, teaching the students all across India, as I said, with such huge numbers. Our purpose is सोच कर, समझ कर, invest कर. It's a career for the 21st century because the government jobs are getting out, the private jobs are there, and private jobs demand that one should be skill-based. In the India is the fastest hub of number of crore-patis are growing, 3 lakh plus the millionaires, a 1 million is equivalent to around 4.4 crore in Indian rupees. NSE, of course, around 6,000, and mutual funds, more than 8 lakh crores are invested. Why carry in financial market? 2-3 very strong reasons I'll give you for shortage of time. One is the employable skills for life. There's no retirement, absolutely no retirement. Till the last breath on the earth, we can invest and trade using mobile telephone on the stock market. It's a portable skill. Nobody can steal. If you know it, you know it. Nobody else can do anything about it. You can work full-time, you can work part-time. You can work full-time as well, part-time, and make own investments also. Lifelong learning, earning opportunity. And office can be any part of the world. It need not be a cushy, air-conditioned office, so long you got a mobile telephone. Now in the mobile telephone also, the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange both allow the trading. And income in this is not dependent on the gray hairs. It's dependent on the skill. If you have the skill, whether it is a 10-year-old child or 20-year student or 80 years, all can make money out of the stock market. No doubt, our P. Chidambaram had said financial literacy must be made a compulsory subject in the school education. Taking that clue, both from our HRD Minister and from the Honorable the then Finance Minister, National Stock Exchange, along with the CBSE, has launched a new initiative called Financial Markets Management in the school system. It's a joint certificate wherein the National Stock Exchange delivers examination in 3 subject areas by which a student is eligible for employment in the financial market. In financial market, if one has to work, it's equivalent of a driving license. If you have to drive a car on the road, you need a license. Similarly, if you have to work in the financial market, what you need is a driving license equivalent. That is called capital market dealers module and derivative market dealers module. Both these are part and parcel of the syllabus of the CBSE 11th and 12th class students. Sound?
तैयारी की जा रही है। सीबीएसई 10वीं पास छात्रों के लिए इस साल से फाइनेंशियल मार्केट मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स ऑफर कर रही है।
सीबीएसई बोर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स के पास अब 10वीं के बाद साइंस, कॉमर्स और आर्ट्स के अलावा एक और स्ट्रीम चुनने का ऑप्शन रहेगा। ये स्ट्रीम है
Since time is short, so I'm skipping some of the, I'll touch up the basic features.
One more minute.
Right, so thank you, sir. It's a CBSE NSE joint certification program, first time in India. It's a new independent stream, just like arts, science, commerce. And a child after 12th class can either go for a job or I can go for a higher education job. FMM, now financial market education, India is in par with USA, UK, Australia. In USA, UK, Australia, 3rd, 4th, 5th onwards, the children are taught the investment stock market. And of course, the student gets employable skills for the life. And they get joint certificate qualification on par for employment purpose. These are the subjects. We can provide more details, those who are interested. For the 11th class, the books are available readily. The CBSE chairman releasing the books on the occasion. This is for the 12th class. By the way, NSE also conducts NSE certified capital market professionals in more than 25 reputed colleges in the country. Here the list. It's an online examination. We got very extensively used ICT into our framework. As I said, we got more than 230,000 terminals in 1,500 cities. And you can appear for these modules anytime, anywhere. Monday to Friday, anytime you can log on, register for it, and appear for the examination. There are more than 32 modules what we have got. The Delhi University has recognized this particular program for admission to vocational education into their system. This is how a screen would look like. These are the group companies of the National Stock Exchange. Popularly, you must have heard Nifty, as you heard Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex. Nifty is the word by which you measure the strength of the economy in the National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange in the derivative segment has got 100% share, 99.5%, and of course cash market, we got 85% share. It's world's third largest stock exchange. Sound?
For a B school student, get ready for some stock trading practicals along with regular lectures as well. Leading B schools are lining up stock trading as a part of their curriculum. Pooja Meswani tells you how.
In an era of extremely volatile markets, B schools are taking a leap to teach students the art of trading. Trading stocks, commodities, F&O and mutual funds at near lifetime prices through online simulators may soon be a part of the daily class. IIM Ahmedabad has already started training students practically.
Imagine what Ahmedabad is teaching at MBA level. School students at CBSE will learn at 11th and 12th class level. Thank you very much.